Okay, have your notes out. Homework. I don't want you working on the homework. You're going to have plenty of time to get it finished before class ends. Okay? You guys did well with these. Headphones out, computers closed. Sheldon, headphones out.
This next part's pretty easy too.
Yeah, it's easier than direct. Okay, so let's look at this last part of notes. So, what we're doing here is we are finding missing values, just like we did with direct. However, the following ordered pairs represent an inverse. Since they represent an inverse, my constant of variation needs to be the same. So my constant of variation for inverse, k equals what for an inverse? X times y. So my constant of variation has to be the same for each of the ordered pair. So all you're doing is you're going to take x times y equals x times y, and then you're going to have a simple equation to solve. So instead of direct was y over x. So you had to do a proportion and cross multiply. For inverse, it's just x times y. So you don't have to set up a proportion because you're not dividing y and x, you're just multiplying them. So as I look at one, let's look at one like 8 real quick. If I look at 8, since these are inverse, my constant of variation is x times y. So all you're going to do is look at your first order pair, take x times y, set it equal to the second order pair, x times y, which is 3y. So instead of y over x, this is not direct. Instead of y over x, k is now x times y. So this is easier. 6 times negative 10 equals 3y. I want to know the missing value, so how do I find y? Divide by 3. So negative 20 equals y. That's all you do. So it's easier than direct because you don't have to do a proportion. You're just going to have, once you multiply x and y, you just have a straightforward equation. Okay, let me go through a couple more. Let's look at one like 12. If I look at 12, this is a little, don't get tricked with these because they have it written out. Write your ordered pair first. If y is 16 when x is negative 3, so that ordered pair will be negative 3, 16. They switch the order sometime. If y is 16 when x is negative 3, so negative 3 comma 16, find x when y is negative 6. So x comma negative 6. Be careful with those. Check to make sure you're putting them in the right order. Now they are inverse, so your first order pair is x times y, so negative 3 times 16 equals, the second order pair, x times y, will be negative 6x. Doesn't matter the order, you just put negative 6x. Negative 3 times 16, negative 48, equals negative 6x. Yeah, now you have a simple equation. Divide by negative 6, 8 equals x. Negative 48 divided by negative 6, positive 8. Do what? Do what? That's what we did. X times y equals x times y. Okay, let's look at 14. What did you say? I'm sorry. Well, that's just saying that's your constant. My constants have to be the same. You just use this one. Okay, let's look at 14 real quick, and then we'll be done. Okay, first of all, it writes it out weird. Make sure you check the order. If y equals negative 8 when x is negative 7, so your ordered pair is negative 7 comma negative 8. That's the biggest issue I see with these. Make sure you put x comma y. The second order pair, find y when x is negative 4. Negative 4 comma y. And then you use the constant of variation, x times y, negative 7 times negative 8, equals negative 4y. Now you can do negative 7 times negative 8 in your head. You don't have to put that step, but I am in your notes. Negative 7 times negative 8, 56, equals negative 4y, divided by negative 4, negative 14 equals y. Good. You guys can do this stuff. I know the graphs are kind of weird, but you guys are doing well with the graphs, better than I thought you would. Okay? Any questions? Okay, now on your homework you may get a couple decimals, and that's okay, so have us check it if you need to, but you will get a couple decimals on the homework. 1 decimal. Okay? Questions? We good?
Yeah.
I think you guys are good. This will be due by the end of the block.
Is that right?
Good job. Yes, I'll check it.
Okay.
I was assuming that's what you want.
Yeah,